Good evening, everybody. And today we have all gathered here to understand breakthrough parenting. So, first, I would like to start by that program your child. That has been this course so many times that has been taken before. Program your child is now breakthrough parenting. Yeah, we have changed the name for a number of reasons, but program your child is breakthrough parenting now. With me, of course. What are we going to learn here? Learn how to program your child for confidence and abundance by breaking generational patterns. Parenting is a pattern with NLP and healings without the emotional exhaustion of gentle parenting and the performative mindful parenting. These are so popular parenting methods. I am not against these methods. Gentle parenting honi chahiye, but ho rahi hai kya? Your child is throwing tantrum, your child is showing, and you're like, breathe in. I got to be gentle. I got to be. You are only emotionally. I like the laughters of some of the parents here because it is their pain. You're like, I know I have to be gentle. I know I have to be mindful. I'm a mind coach, right? But I'm still saying that stop being so mindful, become little heartful. That little piece of your heart, मतलब सब कुछ है, बस heart connection रह गया हुआ है. There is no heart connection left. You're becoming so mindful. You're always like, okay, I got to be aware. I got to breathe in. Now, how do I handle it? You have put your own baby in the stress box of your brain, right? How many of you agree with me? Type in A. How many of you agree with me? Then, this is an emotional exhaustion for the parents. I completely understand these day parents say no, that when we were kids, then also we were suffering. Now we are parents, now also we are suffering. I have all my hearts with you because you are not given tools. I am not against the idea of gentle parenting and mindful parenting, but I've always objected the idea about where are the methods? Where are the tools? Right? Why are you just giving us the lecture what we should do? Even we know we shouldn't be doing. Do we feel good about shouting on our own children after that? We also go on a guilt ride. Who likes it? Nobody. Who wakes up in the day that today I'm going to scold my child? Nobody. No one, right? So we also know that we also want to be gentle. But why are we not able to? And how do we reach that level? That is where comes the breakthrough parenting into picture, right? So the pillars are very clear that you will be learning it for confidence and abundance, and of course relationship and behaviors come अपने आप आ जाते हैं फिर. Now, why learn to program your child? मतलब मैं programming सीखूं ही क्यों? Why should I even learn to program my child's mind? Number one, they are highly programmable. Like if a piece of energy has come to you, which is programmable, it is your responsibility to program them well. It's not something that you can deny. Absolutely not. You're not in a position to deny. They are programmable. You are not manipulating them. You are not finding ways out. They are programmable, and thus you should, right? The world and environment is programming otherwise. If you don't take the charge, they are till the age of 7 years. Like, even if I give you the next reason, is that 90% of the programming happens under the years of 7 years of age. They are walking subconsciouses in your house. If your child happens to be under 10, anybody here whose child is under 10 years of age, they are walking subconscious in your house. Highly programmable. And if you're not programming them, the environment and the world is definitely programming them. You cannot shut your eyes towards that. Absolutely not. एवरी इंटरेक्शन इज अ प्रोग्रामिंग. अब बोलोगे मुझे नहीं करनी प्रोग्रामिंग, इन्वायरमेंट अच्छा है घर का. Every time you're interacting with your child, whether it is on the breakfast table, whether it is in the car, on the report card days, you name it, every interaction, who's the child's first teacher? You. Who's the first point of interaction for the subconscious mind of the brain? You, the child, right? So you have to learn it. There is no other way out. You have to learn it because every interaction is a programming. Then living together, blood relations, DNA, same, energy transfer, patterns absorption is happening 100%. Just because you are not aware of it, you don't have knowledge about it, you are ignorant about it, doesn't mean it is happening. It is happening. There is continuous energy absorption. There is, you are DNA same. How do you find similar patterns? Or you're behaving like your grandfather, or you're behaving like your mother, or you're behaving like this. How do you find all of that? You have an eye to see it. So there is an energy absorption happening. Why? There is a culture of who will pick the child first. But if you don't do all of this, if you don't learn, the major issue which I consider is you squeeze your child's frequencies to yours because you haven't learned to expand. You haven't learned what are the possibilities, right? Whatever is your money container, whatever is your confidence container, whatever is your energy container, this bomb in your house, your child, you will squeeze him to your energy frequencies. आपका बच्चा आपसे ज्यादा ग्रो नहीं कर पाएगा. Your child will find it difficult to grow out of you if you don't change your parenting, if you don't break the generational pattern, if you don't start conscious parenting, right? Aware parenting with your own, taking charge of your own mental health as well, right? Your child will find it very difficult to outgrow your money frequency and your life frequency, rather. I'll be talking about that in detail as well. So, most important, what I feel bad is when I hear parents programming them in front of me in my relations, and I feel, oh my God, inka apna mindset bhi chota hai, and they are squeezing the children's mindset also to them, right? So now, breakthrough parenting is not for, like, I want to clear it in the very beginning that for what parents is really, it doesn't belong to. First, if you believe, I know I'm fine, just fix my child. We do get such queries. हमें ऐसी queries आती हैं जहाँ पे parents कहते हैं कि like हमारे बच्चे की counseling कर दो please, like just counsel our child, just fix our child, and even if I slightly mention in that group meeting that you are also stressed by parent, and they're like, me, are you serious, like me, I need counseling. So agar aap unme se ek hain that you are not ready to look into you, this course is not for you. You will be completely triggered only in this course. You'll be like, ma'am mujhe hi bol rahi hai, mere bacche ko theek karke dikhao, right? If you are somebody who's of that mindset, this course is definitely not for you, absolutely not for you. All right, then this course is not a child training program, it is a parent training program. So in any of the modules there is no where children are called or children are trained. It's a parent training program. You are trained how to handle your child, your behavior, your child's behavior, or change it, or any which way. Whatever other tools here, they are for a parent to get empowered. In fact, I would suggest do not even have children in that room. Like don't even let them listen what we are discussing. Okay? It's your training as a parent. Now, parents who don't even believe in gentle parenting, they only want to learn to control the child. See, I said I'm not against gentle and mindful training, but they are failing because of the lack of right tools, right? So, if people don't even believe in that, they only want to learn to control the child, this course is not for you. Parents who are not ready to see, recognize patterns carried from their parents. Either you are reactive or you are defensive. Like certain people are very reactive in the way that I am not like my parents, like whatever they had, their own wounds. But if I tell them that, see, where when we go in detail about the course further, so they're like, I am not like my parents. You get triggered with that idea and you don't want to see that side. Or second way, you are too defensive. No, 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 no. My parenting was very good. Huh? If you're too reactive or too defensive about your own parenting, about your own childhood, you will actually miss the entire train of breakthrough parenting. You will miss that train completely. Parents who believe that financial stress, scarcity thinking, emotional struggles are just a normal and unchangeable part of life. मतलब आपको लगता है ये तो बदलेगा ही नहीं कभी, ये थोड़ी change होता है. This is how it is, right? So then if you are that rigid in your mindset and ideology, very difficult. And parents who wish zero efforts and full results, they want a magic wand solution and are unwilling to look at their own internal programming, own triggers, or own language patterns. अगर आप अपने triggers, अपने internal programming और अपने language patterns को देखना भी नहीं चाहते, you only want to fix your child, this course is definitely not for you. And even if you stay through the webinar here right now, you will be completely triggered. You will go back like, ये सब नहीं होता, right? ये सब नहीं होता. I'll tell you when I was also at that same stage. I'll share it. Now, it is for people who have not learned any kind of parenting. मतलब कुछ भी नहीं सीखा है आज तक parenting के लिए. तो please, you need to learn parenting because the only blueprint you have, when your mind has to hold on to a blueprint, the only blueprint it holds is the parenting you received. You need to upgrade your parenting so that even your child's growth gets upgraded. Parents who are failing at the famous gentle parenting, मतलब कर तो रहे हैं पर हो नहीं रही है. Performative mindful parenting has only put your child in the stress box in your mind. क्योंकि आप इतना mindful हो रहे हो, इतना fixation में चले गए हो, इतना mind से relationship चल रहा है, that the heart has taken a step back. Everything is a problem. Everything needs to be fixed. You know, why this, how this, so much mindful, so much performative and exhaustive, that your own child, when you think about your child, we have done this, you come to the course, we've done this, you think about your child, there is no joy in your heart. You can check right now also. The moment you think of your child, you will start talking only about stressful things. वो ये नहीं करता, वो ये नहीं करता, वो सो नहीं करता. Ask yourself, first thought in your mind. See how many of you have the capacity to look into yourself right now. You are stressed about your child. You are not joyful about your child. Type in S. Yes, I am more stressed and less joyful. Type in S. Come on, go on. Yeah, if I think about my child, I'm stressful. And then you justify the stories. Type in S. I can see your smiles. Yeah. And then you justify. You know how you justify? But my stress is so justifiable, no? I mean, he's in a board class. Oh, he needs to go to the college. Or he's not eating, no? He's got bad friends these days. So you will always justify your stress. But let's understand your vibration is stressful. Your nervous system is all hyper and anxious and all that stuff. Completely. Right? So you have put your child in your brain stress box. Where is the joy? Remember when you held your child for the very first time? वो feeling कहाँ गई? और क्यों गई? Why? Why aren't we still joyful? I have seen parents taking fun as a task. कि उनके पेरेंटिंग कोच ने बोला है कि मूवी जाओ, घूमने जाओ, यू नो, तो वो भी एक चेक मार्क हो गया है. Even that's a check mark, you know. Okay, I should have a good quality time with my children today. You become so robotic. What's wrong? You're always fixating your child. You literally heartless parenting हो चुका है आपका. You know, mindful हो गया होगा, लेकिन heartless तो guaranteed हो चुका है. All right. So next move. So if you are somebody who's able to recognize the patterns but still feel helpless to break them, we have frameworks to recognize and break the patterns. Parents who wish to learn to make their child confident and not a people pleaser like them. मतलब आप खुद अपनी anxiety से परेशान हैं, आप खुद अपनी low self image से परेशान हैं कि मतलब I still get affected by what people think of me. I am not able to rise about certain belief systems, right? And you don't want your child to become that kind of people pleaser. Yes, this is definitely a place because confidence is one of the pillars for sure. Parents who do not wish to pass on their broken money blueprints to their children, I have done that. I have really done that. I know how much I am working to fix it. Parents who are learners and dead serious about this transformation journey. It is a transformation journey because it will literally involve 3 generations. Your parenting, how was your parenting done, and how you are doing parenting. So there are literally 3 generations involved: your parents, you, and your children. How dead serious are you about getting transformed, everybody, on a scale on 1 on 10? Chalo, write down quickly. How serious are you? How serious are you? Because it's not just about parenting tips here and there. It is a transformation journey. And, pain awakens you, breakthrough awakens you. That's the kind of journey it is. Good, it's 10. Nice. 10 on 10. Well done. 10 on 10 of all. I can also read the kind of stress you have to finally find a solution. And this is where comes the US Surgeon General's advisory on the mental health and well being of parents. Right? 48% of parents are overwhelmed. 97% of parents in 2026, a survey, 97% of parents whose children are under 18 are feeling extremely stressful, and 30% said often. 8 in 10 parents, they are constantly worrying. This is the global scenario. Even in Indian context, there is a lot of urban, like the families are becoming nuclear. This is one of the reasons that is also given. Remember, it takes a village to raise a child, right? So it's now only two, mama and papa becoming that village. So even the reports in India have also mentioned that there is a lot of maternal burnout. There is a lot of family conflict because of nuclear families. That is one of the reasons. Plus, in India, we have some kind of achievement culture. But in India, parents associate their own self-worth, their own parenting self-worth with the child's report card, with the child's behavior. This is more of an achievement association here. दैट इज व्हाट गिविंग यू मोर स्ट्रेस. इसको आपको और स्ट्रेस आता है क्योंकि वो आपका जो पूरा पेरेंटिंग का सेल्फ वर्थ है ना, वो सब आपके बच्चे से एसोसिएटेड है, एंड यू आर पुटिंग दैट प्रेशर. आई हैव सीन पेरेंट्स बीइंग सो ब्लाइंड दैट नो नो आई नेवर पुट प्रेशर ऑन द चाइल्ड. आई मेरे सामने दोनों बैठे हैं. I remember there was this 12th class boy when I was, the mother was sitting along, and the boy actually said it on her face that Mama wants me to become a robot. Still, she just overheard it. जो आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते ना, वो ब्रेन को कभी सुनता भी नहीं है. She just completely overheard it. He was so stressed. Like, I don't put any expectations on my child. He's doing PCM, he's doing a football thing, you know. और उसके बाद she's like, he's not disciplined. I want him to पता नहीं एक दो चीजें और कोर्स करवाने थे उसको. And the child said that I feel like a robot. And she just ignored it. Like, you just shut up. So please, like, the stress is real because you are associating your self-worth as a parent with your child's achievement. Oh God. Can you imagine the energy transfer that you're doing? Your energy transfer is too much. Okay. So now, what have you done? If you have any done courses till now, the typical parenting courses will give you a lot of information. They'll give you a lot of knowledge. But information को transformation में convert करना है, तो it's a live breakthrough parenting course. It focuses on what to do. I've always said कि yes, become gentle, become mindful, become aware. लेकिन why is it happening to me? Why am I getting triggered? And how do I create a lasting change? That is where tools like NLP and other 11 modalities that I've mastered come into picture. And that was my journey becoming a coach only. That, like, why are you not giving me tools and methods? Don't give me lectures. Works only on parenting techniques and mindset. This time, when Program Your Child course is getting upgraded to Breakthrough Parenting, we have made a combination of mindset and energy set. You know that I've always said that only two things can stop you. There are only two alignments that need to be fixed: your mindset and your energy set. And it's a 50-50, not even 49 and 51. It's a 50-50. Now, gives behavior management strategies, ki how to change the behavior, right? But when we will understand the neuroscience of habit, we will understand that behavior is a lot of belief driven, a lot of other things. So we will be working on the subconscious programming that is creating that behavior. Focus is on fixing the child, but we will focus on parents' belief, nervous system, and generational patterns. Teaching communication skills, yes, it is important. But before that, we need to heal the emotional inheritance, the unconscious triggers. Why are you triggered? क्यों नहीं हो पा रहे gentle? And your own family conditioning before comes the communication. Encourages gentle parenting without addressing the emotional overload. You were all smiling when I talked about emotional overload. So helps become, you need to be emotionally well regulated so that the connection feels natural and not suppressive. Once your nervous system is well regulated, when you have a mindset and energy set balance, then you will be able to follow that connection, and whatever you do will come natural and not suppressive. You will not be breathing in. Okay, I'll say this. You won't be doing that. It will be your nervous system taking charge on you. So you need that mindset and energy set. We often say children are born confident, children are born abundant, children are born divine. तो फिर उनको आपकी जरूरत क्यों है? अगर इतने डिवाइन, इतने कॉन्फिडेंट, इतने अबंडेंट है वो, बिकॉज दे आर प्रोग्रामेबल. बिकॉज दे आर प्रोग्रामेबल एंड दे विल पिक अप योर एनर्जीज. आपकी एनर्जीज एब्जॉर्ब होंगी ही होंगी. योर नर्वस सिस्टम इज गेटिंग एब्जॉर्ब्ड. All right. So, all those who don't know me, why am I here? I am MSc Maths. I am MEd. I'm net qualified. Technically, I can create teachers in the country. I have done NLP. I'm an NLP expert. I'm an internationally certified life coach. I'm a healer. I have done more than 20 to 30 very easily modalities. I've lost the count. I've stopped, counting them. I'm a mom of two. I have a pre-teen daughter and I have a teenager son. My journey to become a coach started because I was depressed, and I worked on my depression only because of my children. I was also one of those strict belief people. I was a topper. Maybe I was disciplined. I remember when I was doing my B.Ed, and even B.Ed, when they teach you how to be this gentle teacher, I clearly remember, like, ये तो theory होती है, practical थोड़ी होता है ये सब. I remember that. I clearly remember that. And I would agree that I was not a very empathetic teacher. Maybe in the beginning, if I look back, I ask sorry from the God. I'm sure I was a strict teacher until I became a mother. The day I became a mother, I understood that it has to be dealt with love. It has to be dealt with love. My journey for coming out of my depression started because I slapped my son. I slapped my son. I slapped my son twice. And I remember I was crying in guilt. I'm sure every mother has gone somewhere. कभी ना कभी वो guilt के आंसू सबने रोए हैं यहाँ पे. Raise your hands up if you have been guilty of, yeah, right? So I remember I was crying and I called up my husband and he told me, he was trying to, sympathize me by justifying कि वो तंग करता है. He actually, comes on to the nerves, and he was what? He was just 6 years of age, So I remember telling him, my sentence was very clear that okay, first hitting is not justified at all. तब तक मैं एमएड कर चुकी थी तो I was more evolved now, right? I understood. So I was like, hitting is not at all justified. But okay, one person somewhere, I justify my hitting. I should have slapped only one. I still remember the second slap that I did. I told my husband, it is me. It is me who needs help. मुझे हेल्प की जरूरत है. That's where my journey started, like 10 years back. That's where my journey even started into my depression and my meeting mind gurus and my meeting psychologists, psychiatrists, who not, just to come back disappointed. Right? So, yes, parenting, I've always said parenting can be the biggest self-healing journey. It can be the biggest self-healing journey. So, I believe we have to raise confident and abundant kids. What is the definition of confident and abundant kids? We have to prepare them to live without us. Take that as a breath once, every parent here. And even importantly, better than us. That is the definition of a confident and abundant child. अगर आपका बच्चा आप पे dependent है, we'll be talking about a breakthrough. Confident child, we ultimately won't be there always, right? So the child has to live without us and the child has to live better than us. That is what I look at every parent, and I want to shake every parent and tell them that make your child live better life than you, one step ahead. And that is how the most rich and the successful in the world do. यही करते हैं. All right, I hope I'm clear on that. That what does confident and abundant child mean? Now, what are you doing in your parenting? Let's go further. What are you doing in your parenting? There are only three possibilities: RRR, replication, reaction, and repetition. Replication is because you haven't learned parenting, you haven't evolved your parenting styles. So, what parenting will you follow? Your parents. What your parents, how they did with you. You saw something worked for you. मेरे साथ भी ऐसे हुआ था. I'll do the same with my child for good, right? The other one is reactive. Reaction is that my mother hit me, I will never hit my child. Exactly opposite. You're doing exactly opposite. Whatever happened with me, I'll make sure it doesn't happen with my child. And the third is repetitive. The patterns. This is unconsciously where you are repeating, passing on your emotional wounds and your anxiety and your perfectionism. आपको लगता है कि आप बहुत अवेयर हो, आपको लगता है कि नहीं, I am aware, I am not following the same patterns. I'll show you one of the feedback from the जब last time हुआ था workshop.
I immediately messaged my elder daughter.
Can you hear it, everybody?
I used to think
show me thumbs up.
Like they are not
Can you hear
expressive, like they are like detached, they behave themselves as adults. So they are maintaining that distance. But suddenly I felt I have been maintaining that distance because I didn't get that love, affection, or caring from my mother or father. So that is somewhere.
She is a mother of college going girls. All right. So that is where she decoded is the second, third day. First day she denied. I'll just fast forward it.
Before even you came into this world. And I love you. And she immediately replied me, I love you too. That's the first time probably my daughter told I love you too in a message when I was at it.
So do you realize first time she heard I love you from her own child when she's in college? Right? And she was justifying it. It took her time to realize by the third day that I am following the same emotional unavailability as it was with me. Right? And there are a number of things where people realize. First time when I took this batch, I remember there was a trainer. He was a child trainer, like he was used to prepare children for focus and memory and also deal with parents. So he was doing a holistic thing for many years on memory and focus and number of things. By the time it was third day, he was sitting shocked. And I thought, I don't know, because he was already at a place, he was already a trainer for children and parents. So I asked him what happened. he was, I'm in a state of shock. I had never seen before how am I behaving like my father with my daughter, and though how much I have decided that I won't be like that. So that is why I said that if you are too defensive and too reactive about your childhood, this course is not for you. But that is what we have to do, break the generational patterns. Breaking the generational patterns, taking that responsibility, we'll have to do that. Are we ready for this, everybody? Type in R. Are we ready to break the generational patterns? Right? To give a more better like emotional well-being to our children? Yes, good. So I've always said that only two things are very important: mindset and energy set. Mindset is something which is your belief, your thoughts, your patterns, how you see the world. The child is picking up your definitions about a mother, about a father, about a relationship, about money, about confidence, about success, everything. In every interaction is a programming. उसे background में सब सुन रहा है वो. The second one is the energy set. In the energy set, it is about your nervous system, it is about your frequency, it is about your aura, it is about your energetic state, your mental and emotional bodies. And the child is like a sponge who absorbs it. Yes, the child definitely absorbs it. So if you see, if you are vibrating at shame and guilt, your child will also start vibrating at shame and guilt. Shame is the biggest confidence killer, and I'm telling you, guilt really kills your money. That is why you are understood when I said that you will be squeezing your child's energy into your box, into your frequencies. So if you are not emotionally regulated, your vibration is overall extremely low, your child will just follow your path. So you have to work on both of them, mindset and energy set. So if a low energy set is triggered, anxious, drained, scattered, fear based, and a heavy vibration. When I told you, think about your child, if you're feeling heavy, I hope you know what, when I said you put your child into your stress box, I hope what is your vibration. It's not definitely joyful. Clear, everybody? Type in C if it is clear till here. Type in C if it's clear. So we need to work on both of them. Yeah, it's important. Now, what is breakthrough parenting? Breakthrough parenting is the conscious transformation of your mindset and energy set. So you stop passing on your survival patterns and start creating confidence, emotional intelligence, and abundance in the next generation. Are we first clear with the concept of breakthrough parenting? Show me thumbs up. Show me thumbs up, everybody. Clear? Good. Now let's get into some of the breakthroughs. So let's start with, first of all, the emotional breakthroughs. I hope you're following me on Instagram because I just had completed their 21 breakthroughs. It was also one of them. Let me tell you about emotional breakthrough. How many of you think here that as many times I've shouted and explained to my child, he just doesn't listen, he just doesn't understand? Have you ever felt like that? Type in yes. Have you ever felt like that? कि कितनी बार समझा दिया? How many times I have said this? I've shouted, I've scolded, but it just doesn't get into the head. First, now, if when you are doing all of this, your heartbeat is high, right? Your voice is high, right? You are about to lose the control. Tell me, are you high vibratory or you're low vibratory? Quickly, give me thumbs up. Show me thumbs. When you are doing this, are you high vibratory or you're low vibratory? You are low vibratory, right? Now, let me tell you, when you're saying all of this, first of all, of course, we have to look into the child's filters. Child is only learning your emotional coping mechanism. He's only learning how adults handle anger, how adults handle stress. Whatever lecture you're giving in that anger, no, that will not get into him. There will be no transformation in the child. There will be no transformation in your child. Your child is learning how to cope emotions and he will absorb it, take it in, और कुछ time के बाद आपको दिखेगा. I remember there's a 4 years gap between my son and my daughter. So when I started working on myself, my son was around 6 years and my daughter was 2. And I could one day clearly see my son treating my daughter exact in the same statement, same tonality as I had treated him. Exactly same. Word to word same. Am I talking to walls? Why are you not listening to me? Oh my God, that was one breakthrough moment for me in that time. I was like, oh my God, it's little me here. So whenever I told him, listen to me, He never picked up that. Remember, understood. What did my child learn? My child learned how to behave, how to cope up with the emotional stress, not the content, but the context. Are we clear? This is very important. How many of you feel a breakthrough here? Type in B. कोई फायदा नहीं चिल्ला विल्ला के. Type in B. How many of you feel the breakthrough that, oh my God, he's learning how to handle trigger. You are triggered. वो trigger को handle करना सीख रहा है. Type in B if it was a breakthrough. Oh, इसीलिए कोई फायदा नहीं है आपके lectures का. Yeah, good. B, 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 B. Children inherit emotional habits before they inherit values. They learn how to respond to stress, conflict, failure, success by watching you, not by listening to your advice or even your angry lectures. What is your projected fear? My race or my child's race? What is your race? I want to be a good parent. That is why you are triggered. Or मेरा बच्चा पीछे ना रह जाए. That is your projected fear when you get most of the time trigger. Of course, we have a deeper framework in the course. आगे अच्छा framework है हमारे पास पूरा to find out which emotion triggered in you. Next, confidence breakthrough. Now I'm talking about the well-behaved children here who seek permission. कितना proud, कितना secure, कितना comfortable feel करता है एक parent जब उसे लगता है कि मेरा बच्चा हर चीज मुझसे पूछ के करता है. Tell me yes or no. Hands up. How secure you feel within yourself that my child asks everything for me. I have seen the eyes glowing of mothers, you know. मेरे से पूछे बिना कुछ नहीं करता ये. You know what? I counsel 40, 45-year-old. They come to me and tell me that, ma'am, I'm not able to take decisions in life. I think I have brain fog. I have difficulty taking decisions in my life. You know, where does the root go? You know, where does the root go? He was never allowed to take his decision and he was always seeking permission. ये एक पैटर्न बन जाता है आपके बच्चे का. फिर कल को वो अपने पार्टनर से, अपने बॉस से भी परमिशन ही सीख करता रहता है. राइट? वो परमिशन ही सीख करता रहता है. So you are actually taking the confidence away from your child by making him dependent on you. What is your projected fear? Of course, about his safety. His safety is your concern. Your child might fail. You भी कुछ गलत ना कर दे मेरा बेटा. Permission seeking is often disguised as respect, but underneath it can be fear of making a mistake. You know, of course, there is a subtle line to it. We talk 21 confidence breakthroughs in the main course. 21 of them. And we deal with mindset and we deal with energy set. You have to train your child to live without you. आपके बिना रहना आना चाहिए उसे. So I remember I had gone out. My son was 4 or 5 years of age. When I came back, so he was watching TV. And I overreacted. I don't even remember this moment. He remembers it. He did tell me later when, you know, I was sorting out things. I scolded him, not for watching TV. I scolded him that why you didn't take permission from me. Can you believe? I'm telling you, when we'll be sharing those 21 breakthroughs, I'm guilty of 15, 16 of them. I've done it myself. So when he told me later also, he told me, मम्मा आज तक डर लगता है टीवी ऑन करने का आपके बिना. आपने इतना डांटा. आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर द मोमेंट. डू यू सी हाउ आई मस्ट बी ट्रिगर्ड ऑफ समथिंग एल्स. आई मस्ट बी स्ट्रेस्ड ऑफ समथिंग एल्स. एंड व्हेन आई लैंडेड अप होम एंड आई वाज लाइक कि किससे पूछ के टीवी लगाया. ही टेल्स मी दिस. किससे पूछ के टीवी लगाया. So, do you understand? I was not even shouting for the TV. I was shouting off कि you didn't ask me. Got it? So how obsessed we are. और हमें लगता है if the child is not taking permission, बच्चा छूट गया हमारे हाथ से. What is the idea of a confident child? अब मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि छोड़ ही दो. You know, we will learn how to, you know, get that right, get that balance, you know. So because of course the safety and security is your issue, but you are only projecting your fears. It's a fearful parenting. आपको लगता है अभी इसने नहीं बताया, कल को भी पता नहीं क्या क्या नहीं बताएगा. You all fears, right? How many of you had that breakthrough? Type in B. My child is well behaved. जब आपका कोई तारीफ करके जाए ना कि आपका बच्चा कितना well behaved है, it's like a danger moment. Think about it, that is he really confident or he's just fearing committing mistakes. Galti na ho jaye, you know. So well behaved children are not necessarily confident children and abundant children. Okay, let's move to the next breakthrough. The next one is the financial confidence. Oh my God. This is something I have trained my son so badly. 7 years तक programming होता है. I think I have taught every wrong thing to my child then. Money में कुछ नहीं रखा, पैसा सब कुछ नहीं होता, है ना? और I had my own fears. I didn't realize it until when I worked on myself later कि ज़्यादा पैसे आते हैं, गुंडे पीछे पड़ जाते हैं. I have told him a lot of things, right? Because I saw him very materialistic, how children are in the beginning, you know. So he would see that we have a car, other have two cars, you know. So what did I do? Samajh rahe ho? That was my, like, what did I do? I told him, I could have told him to be in gratitude. I'll give you tools later how to handle that dissatisfaction regarding money. वो बहुत लंबा topic है. But I have done that. When I realized, I started doing uh, the other kind of work. I started fixing his blueprints. So when I started his healing and his fixing his blueprints, so until last year, now imagine he's about to get 16 now. Until last year, when I realized that he is not anti-money now, money energy, but he's indifferent to money. He's indifferent. I was happy every time he came to me and told me that, Mama, school में पता topic क्या था? Money cannot buy happiness. This is the worst thing that is taught to the next generation. Money cannot buy happiness. It's a neural absurd. We have all done it abundance blueprint course, right? So he would come and tell me that, oh, गलत सिखा रहे हैं ना, मैंने हाँ गलत सिखा रहे हैं. I was always proud. मैंने सही कर दिया इसका money blueprint, you know. I fixed his money blueprint. Until last year, I realized that he is not transacting money, and he actually told me that I am feeling very anxious transacting money. Transaction करने में मुझे थोड़ा सा unfamiliar लग रहा है. Now, I actually gave him an account. I actually gave him the money. अब सच सच पूछना खुद को अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के. If your child breaks down a vase of rupees 1000, you will say it's okay, there is a lesson to learn or there is something. But giving that 1000 in his pocket that go into the market scares the hell out of you. You think he will misuse the money? I'm giving example of 1000. How much can you give your child money with trust? Ask yourself, because it will show up your fearful connection with the money. I'll tell you, this was college going, postgraduate children, postgraduate, all right, postgraduate children. And I remember giving him money, that give it to your father. I know I had to give money. So I was like, give it to your father. Postgraduate child. His father actually came to the house, sat with us very seriously. It was just a 20,000 rupees amount. That why did you give 20,000 rupees in my child's hand? Postgraduate, बच्चा थोड़ी है वो, he is 23. क्यों आपने वो पैसा मेरे बच्चे के हाथ में रखा? बच्चों को दूर रखते हैं इन चीजों से. Ask yourself, everybody. Come on, can you give 20,000 to your child with the trust? Or you will be fearful. I like that. Why? क्योंकि आपको कोई भी लॉस, बच्चा गिर के सीख ले, बच्चा ये करके सीख ले, बच्चा कुछ तोड़ के सीख ले, रिलेशनशिप तोड़ के सीख ले, लेकिन पैसा वेस्ट करके ना सीखे कुछ. Check yourself, everybody. I like your smiles. I like your smiles. Whose pattern is this? Your. Who gave it to you? Your parents. You have attached fear with money and you are passing on that fear to your child as well. My husband's first reaction was this. तूने उसको OTP बता दिया? Like वो Google Pay वाला. You've told him the OTP? ना, he's 16 ना, 15, 16 ना. कितना पैसा है उसमें? First question. Like, even if I ask you that I have given a full access to my son, you'll like, how much money? I'm asking you, how much money? What is your money frequency that you can allow your child to learn and to lose? And how come you are very sure he will lose? Got it? This is very subtle. How many of you are having a breakthrough? You type in B. बच्चा कहीं से भी और सीख ले, पैसा खर्च करके ना सीखे. Money mistake not allowed. I like that B there. Money mistakes is not issue. So when parents constantly worry, what if they waste it? They are often passing the scarcity instead of financial confidence. Every time you give money to your child, you give 5 instructions full of fear. Children don't learn abundance from the amount that you give them. They learn it from the emotions you attach to money. तो जब आपने सिर्फ 100 rupees देके भी लेक्चर दिया है साथ में, that energy is they will pick it up. If every financial interaction is wrapped with anxiety, wrapped with guilt, wrapped with mistrust, their subconscious associated with money is fear of vibration, fear, energy. If it is wrapped in trust, responsibility, and learning, they will develop financial confidence. What is your projected fear? Money loss, या फिर a wrong financial decision. We have to learn, right? Even I realized until last year that he's indifferent. He's not transacting money. I put him into transactions now. transact, and I'm raising his money frequency. You think he'll earn money? वो जो जिनका मैंने example दिया post graduate बच्चों का, I'm sure they are, I mean, post graduation भी हो चुका था एक दो का, they were still career fighting. I know that they did not have very sound careers. You know why? कहाँ था money frequency? 20,000 rupees को हाथ लगाना allowed नहीं है. You think their subconscious is wired to receive money? और एक तो मैंने हमेशा से बताया, whenever you tell your child that anybody gifts you something, आंटी घर में पैसे देंगी, मना कर देना. You are blocking the receiving money of your child, right? This I have always told in so many abundance videos and even in the abundance course. Never tell your child. You are making your child, like nahi 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 auntie nahi auntie. No, if somebody is giving, and let's keep the receiving open. आप उसका money receiving block कर देते हो. All right, let's move ahead. So, relationship patterns. Your child's first relationship becomes the blueprint of every relationship that follows. That's you. The way you resolve conflict today becomes your child's relationship language tomorrow. I will, in short, tell you two things here. When you fell in love, so-called love, I've always said this. Did you fell in love with the person, or did you fell in love with the idea of love? You have to stop your children from getting that you did not fall in love with the person, you fell in love with the idea of being important in someone's life. आपको उससे प्यार हुआ था. 70% of the people, for sure. आपको उस idea से प्यार हुआ था that I am important in someone's life. Whatever needs are not fulfilled for your child in the parenting, he will look forward to the partner. अब वो पूरा करेगा नहीं करेगा is another chapter. Again, the same pattern will follow. Either opposite, either same, the repeat, the replication or reaction. इसी में से कुछ follow होगा, वो अपने relationship में वो लेकर जाएगा. If, and कई बार इतने energy set पे इतने hardwired होते हो that your father is a narcissist, you will attract a partner also as a narcissist. That's an energy set, relationship. And you don't know how to, like, I healed my dad with this. Matlab, I had a good parenting in like that regard. But I still went up to him and I started behaving like a child with him, and saying, I love you to him. And he was superly duperly awkward. When you carry up this journey, जब ये journey आप pick up करोगे, I'm telling you will be healing 3 generations. Your parents, you yourself, and your children. Today he replies me back, I love you too. Now. But he was superly awkward first time. You think I had not picked up that energy? You think I had not picked up that emotional unavailability? I had, because I was working on myself. I found the pattern. I knew that he was always there. He unconditionally loved me. But there was no expression of love. Understood? Now it's not there. Got it? Understood everybody? अगर आपकी बेटी है, आपकी बेटी को किसी ने आके एक रोज दिया, नील डाउन किया, और वो फ्लैटर हो गई, क्योंकि कभी भी उसके पापा ने उसको रोज नहीं लाके दिया, कभी नील डाउन नहीं किया. समझ रहे हैं आप? If you are not providing that love, you are not raising the standards. Have you heard that when Priyanka Chopra's father gave her, I think, a 2 crore diamond? He set the standard. He set the standard. He said, this is what I am giving to my daughter. The person who really wants to come into her life has better than this. Are you setting some love standards, even money standards, any kind of standards in the subconscious of your child? Not like in the subconscious of your child. Whenever I hear wrong cases of running away with somebody, आजकल आप relationship के हाल देख रहे हो. Whenever I hear that somebody ran away with somebody, I always look into that child. That child is totally scarred in the house. उसका कोई emotional need पूरा नहीं हो रहा है. और इतनों सा emotional need किसी XYZ गधे घोड़े के साथ पूरा होता है, and the person just leaves. Are you understanding? So your children relationship depends a lot on your relationship, your programming, and the energy that you're moving forward to. You need to set the right standards and the right energy absorption. If that was a breakthrough type in B, that's a relationship. That relationship तो बहुत matter करता है parents के साथ. Type in B to the core. Okay, now Balbon. Yep, good. So this is, and we have more than 20 money breakthroughs, 20 confidence breakthroughs in the main course. So we need to expand our horizon for them. How many of you have understood this? That we need to expand our horizon for them. Parenting is the biggest self-healing and generational healing opportunity. अगर आपको ये समझ में आया है, that is when I will explain you in detail. Have you understood that you need to expand your horizon? You need to expand your frequencies. You need to expand your vibration, your mindset, so that even they have an expanded one. Have you understood it? Type in you. And that is when I will get into the details of the Breakthrough Parenting course, further course. Yes, yes. Oh my God. The data is scary, no? Why are children doing this? Because there is no emotional safety and emotional security and love in the house. Isiley. Okay, now let's look into the parenting breakthrough parenting course. So there are 11 modules. I try and finish it in 8 to 9 days or 12 days. I've always said कोई syllabus नहीं है जो पूरा करना है. Transformation जरूरी है. So mindset and energy set alignment will happen with more than 11 tools and modality. Right? So basically there will be a lot of NLP, there will be a lot of life coaching, there will be a lot of parenting tools, of course, communication tools, of course, EFTs, Ho'oponoponos, TFTs, and group healings, visualizations, meditations, and of course, last day there will be healing as well. So these are the tools, but now I'm giving you the pathway, the 11 modules. Now, first module is you as a parent and your parent. So day one or module one, I hope it finishes in day one. We will know your unknown foundation to become a parent. You know, the very foundation. Your fantasy child, your fantasy versus real childhood, your also and your child's as well. We will give you your emotion coping NLP tools. जो gentle parenting आपसे हो नहीं रही है वो gentle होना कैसे? We will create certain anchors in you. हम एंकर क्रिएट करके देंगे क्योंकि पहले आपका इमोशनल स्टेबलाइजेशन बहुत जरूरी है. सो वी विल बी टॉकिंग इन द मॉड्यूल 1 हाउ टू क्रिएट इमोशंस, हाउ टू डी एंकर रॉन्ग इमोशंस, हाउ टू एंकर कामनेस इन यू. हम यूजुअली एक बटन क्रिएट करते हैं. देयर इज अ बटन दैट वी क्रिएट इन द प्रोसेस. नेक्स्ट टाइम यू प्रेस दैट बटन, बच्चे भी तो बटन ही प्रेस कर रहे हैं ना आपका. दे आर ऑल्सो प्रेसिंग योर बटन, राइट? सो वी विल क्रिएट अ बेटर बटन थ्रू एनएलपी एंकरिंग सो दैट यू आर एबल टू क्रिएट द स्टेट इवन यू नो यू शुड बी इन. आपको उसमें होना चाहिए. मॉड्यूल 2, हु इज योर चाइल्ड? कौन है आपका बच्चा? सो यू नीड टू लर्न. आई एक्सप्लेन टू यू सम ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट थियोरीज. मतलब कई बार हमें बेसिक नॉलेज भी नहीं होता है. वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग लाइक अ 13 to 15 years of age is a age where, you know, like puberty hits in, a lot of things hit in, right? So 13 to 15 is a long period. किसको जल्दी हो रहा है तो भी प्रॉब्लम है, लेट हो रहा है तो भी प्रॉब्लम है. And you know, the prefrontal cortex, the complete intelligence is developed by 25 years of age. So even if your children are 20, 21 and you feel कब बड़े होंगे ये, वो नहीं बड़े हुए हैं. So are you aware of such things? This is so basics, you know. So we will be talking about 1 or 2 basic development theories where you should expect the right age. सही चीज एक्सपेक्ट करें. एक तो कंपटीशन है ना, रेस है, पेरेंटिंग इज अ रेस. उसके बच्चे ने लिखना शुरू कर दिया, मेरे बच्चे ने किया ही नहीं अभी तक, यू नो. सो इट्स अ पेरेंटिंग रेस. बट आर यू अवेयर ऑफ द डेवलपमेंटल theories? You should know them. So we'll be talking little bit about that. Then we'll be talking about what does a child want, what is the child seeking. आपको बहुत कुछ चाहिए, उसको क्या चाहिए आपसे. Child's perspective, discomfort disguised as discipline. So we will be talking about discipline on module 2. कि आपको डिसिप्लिन्ड बच्चा क्यों चाहिए, व्हाट इज द डिस्गाइज, व्हाट इज द, यू नो, डिस्कम्फर्ट. सो this will be another breakthrough for you for having a so-called disciplined child. So we'll be talking about disciplining, not by anger or not by force, but by understanding your own self. Then relationship dynamics, that is ratios like connection and correction. This I've always told even openly. Are you connected enough to correct that thing? जो भी correct करना है आपने. I remember I was addressing one parents in one of the schools once, and I told them that if you're a father, you want to talk to the girl about the boyfriends, about the relationship. Are you connected enough to talk to that level? Suddenly, एक दिन आप demand नहीं कर सकते बच्चे से, right? So connection and correction ratio is just one thing. I talk about 3 to, you know, more ratios: conflict and care and careful, you know, conflict and choice. I talk about few more ratios because it's not one way ride. छोड़ दो बच्चों को, जैसे अभी मैंने कहा कि छोड़ दो, नहीं. There has to be a ratio between the two. So we talk about ratios in the relationship dynamics. We'll talk about mirroring, how they mirror your energy, how they mirror your behavior. It's a very important concept in relations. Then repo building. You will actually learn how to build repo. आप अपने बच्चे से आउट ऑफ रेपो का मतलब होता है म्यूचुअल ट्रस्ट. आप अपने बच्चे से आउट ऑफ रेपो हो, ठीक है. एंड लास्ट टाइम आई कैन शो यू द फीडबैक. she actually tried the repo building. It's a science, how to build a repo with the child, right? She actually built the repo, and she was like, I was surprised, ma'am. She actually started following what I was saying. Repo is an unconscious hook. Is अनकॉन्शियस. जब आप बच्चे से रेपो में आउट हो, यू आर आउट ऑफ द रेपो ऑफ योर चाइल्ड, नो पॉइंट गिविंग लेक्चर्स, कुछ नहीं जा रहा उसके अंदर. उसके अंदर इतना बड़ा क्रॉस लगा हुआ है उसके आगे, बोलते रहो, वेस्ट करते रहो एनर्जीज, राइट? सो यू विल लर्न द साइंस ऑफ रेपो बिल्डिंग. I'll share the feedback at the end where she said that, ma'am, I did try the hand movement and she actually moved it like that. She started following me. रेपो इज वन ऑफ द सेल्स में भी यूज करते हैं लोग, कई बार वन ऑन वन में भी यूज करते हैं, यू नो, लाइक हुकिंग द अदर पर्सन अनकॉन्शियस. Then module 4 is right communication that actually works. What are the judgmental filters? मतलब आप अगर आपका बच्चा देखो जरा बोल रहा है कि सुनो जरा बोल रहा है, you know, you have to understand the filters really well, that what is the right communication that can happen between you and your child. NLP says there is no communication, possible ही नहीं है. Even the body language is always communicating something. You have to understand it and you have to change the communication. The response that you get is the communication you made, right? So of course we'll talk about it in detail there कि communication पे mastery कैसे करनी है. DDG filters, your language patterns. CAR communication. CAR here is actually, CAR is actually here commitments, appreciations and requests. Instead of giving instructions to your child from the point of authority, oh, I am the father, I am the mother, right? There are better tools, better language tweak which will work. So CAR is when to use CAR, like when to use commitment, when to use appreciation, when to use requests, right? So that is, we will learn in detail for the communication with the child. Then module 5 is confidence at the mindset. First mindset पे we will understand what is confidence. 21 everyday programming, कुछ तो उसमें से डिस्कस हो भी गए हैं. Programming affecting the self image of the child. बच्चे की self image कैसे खराब करते हैं आप, that is what you will come to know. 2 साल का बच्चा, 3 साल का बच्चा शीशे में खुद को देख के बहुत खुश होता है, बहुत ज्यादा, लेकिन उसके बाद he tries to fit into the box. Bends is a framework for you, like as a parent, it's a framework for you and your triggers. And self-image tool, how using the alpha state of mind of your child, you will fix the self-image of your child, right? मतलब आप तो बोलोगे कि अच्छा उसको visualization करवाना है, वो तो नहीं करेगा. No, no. We will fix into the state when the program, when the child's mind is very, you know, open, you know, alpha state of mind. When is your child in alpha state of mind? I'll share the videos, I'll share the feedbacks at the end. So they've started doing all of this and they were surprised ki, and one of them, I think Shweta, she said ki, my daughter was surprised कि क्या आपको क्या हो गया, इतने प्यार से क्यों बात कर रहे हो, इतना respectfully क्यों बात कर रहे हो, you know. So I'll share that videos. Then confidence as an energy set, you know, where comes the nervous system. So again, the same 21 frameworks, but this time we will use the clear framework from the point of pattern, from the point of energy. Clear, C stands for clearance and R stands for radiance, right? So बीच के कुछ patterns हैं जिन पे हम काम करेंगे. Module 7 is abundance, first at the mindset level. 21 money wounds due to parental behavior. Inadequacy wounds हैं, जब आप बोलते हो we can't afford it, तुम्हारा बाप अंबानी नहीं है, इतना पैसा नहीं है, you know, like वो सब उसको मनी वूंड जाता है. I didn't say money block, I said money wound. Clearly I'm saying money wound. Confidence के block हो सकते हैं लेकिन money के wound है. Then how to free your own self, क्योंकि पहले आपसे ही नहीं fear छूट रहा. अब मैम ने बोल भी दिया कि बच्चे को थोड़ा पैसा रखो, देखो जरा, लेकिन एंजाइटी तो आपको हो रही है. You know, you have associated fear with certain amount of money keep in your child's pocket. You know, it is a problem to you. So first you will also learn to heal yourself, how to heal yourself, how to free your own self through NLP, belief clearing, EFT, and thus then the child. Of course, it will be framework of how to heal your money. I have healed my child's money wound. I'm still going on every time there is a realization. Then module 8 abundance, energy set, 21 money wounds, how to heal your own self and your child. Meditations, visualizations. I'll give you some Zebu symbols and we will even do Ho'oponopono. Module 9, behavior. Now, behavior. Now comes your favorite section. But I have specially kept it at 9th module. कि यहाँ तक आप बहुत transform हो चुके हैं. Right? यहाँ तक आप बहुत transform हो चुके हैं. That is why I've kept behavior at module number 9. So here we will understand some laws. There are some laws of associations, behavior and belief interactions. Neurons that fire together get wired together. You know, what is the neuroscience of a habit? You know, that is like screens. You know, what is the basic reason? I am telling you one thing here. everything that if you take away the phone from your child as a punishment, anything that you've taken away from your child as a punishment, get anchors as a reward in the child's mind. वो और जोर से उसके पीछे पड़ेगा, याद रखना. Right? Whatever you call as a punishment, it becomes a reward for the child's mind. Right? So we will understand that in detail. Then walk them out of the comfort zone. Of course, आप भी बैठे हैं comfort zone में, आसान थोड़ी है निकलना. लेकिन आप सिर्फ चिल्ला के नहीं कह सकते उसको, come on, you should do this. You have to walk that child out of their comfort zone, as you always wanted somebody to help you walk out of that comfort zone. Okay? You aren't really looking into the patterns. Then we will have one module on focus and memory, because like memory, I have seen parents, my child's memory is weak. There is nothing like a strong and a weak memory. There is trained and untrained memory. Then my child's focus is very weak. There is nothing like a strong and a weak focus. There is only controlled and uncontrolled focus. अगर आपका बच्चा 10 घंटे एक सीरीज पूरी कर सकता है और 10 मिनट पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकता है, it's a controlled and uncontrolled focus. So we will be talking very basics here, because as parents, अगर आपको ही नहीं पता focus memory के बारे में and learning styles के बारे में, all you would do is you will only keep lecturing your child and losing your connection, and law of association खराब हो जाएगा. When you would understand till here, you would understand कौन कौन से laws आप बिगाड़ रहे हो, कौन सा connection बिगाड़ रहे हो, कौन सा association बिगाड़ रहे हो, because you don't have knowledge. Module 11 is pure energy healing. This is not something which will go for lifetime. It's for energy cleansing, pure energy work, energy protections. Your child definitely needs energy protection. He's not just absorbing your energy. He goes out. आप बाहर से किसी की energy pick करके आए हैं. Children are the most vulnerable in the house to pick up any kind of negative energy, any kind of low vibration, your stress, or if you have picked up also some from somewhere else. Basic tools पता होने चाहिए आपको भी, आपके बच्चों को भी. Now there will be a group healing, but this will always vary in different kind of every time course mein. Module 11 will not be lifetime. It will always be unique and special for every batch. For example, birth trauma and womb healing. Because I had the most depressive period when I was pregnant, and of course I have given that depressive zone to my kids. But I can't help it on the mindset level now. I can't help it at the mindset level. So that is where the birth trauma that your child carries, birth trauma and the womb healing, family bonds and bloodline healing, these are all modalities, all right? These are proper energy modalities. Ancestral karma healing is the DNA, and life contract healing is, of course, your child is a soul. Your child is a pure soul, right? And there is a soul contract. Just because वो आपके बाद आया है जरूरी नहीं है कि वो एक old soul ना हो, आपसे भी बड़ी soul हो सकती है वो, right? There is a soul contract. So soul contract healing. So 11th module is something which will not be available every time, right? Rest, of course, is a lifetime community. 11th module will always be changing. All right. Clear, everybody? Any questions so far? Any questions about the course so far? No? Wait, I'll tell you when it is starting. This time we are starting on 11 modules and starts Sunday. Weekdays 9 p.m. Ends on Sunday, 19 July. Recording is available. Lifetime access to 10 modules. I again want to clear. As many times the community repeats, the course repeats, you will have access to 10 modules. 11th module will be every time unique. Every time unique, right? You want to sign up for the 11th module? Yes, you can. You don't want to sign up because everybody doesn't believe in energy healing work as such. So that is why I didn't mix it much with the other ones. So there are 10 modules. How many of you found it valuable? Type in V. How many of you found this course valuable? That yes, there is a lot of value in the course. Type in V. Yeah, I have to share the feedbacks as well. Oh, chalo, they are there on the page as well. Page pe bhi dikh jayenge aap. Good. V. Good. All right. Let me stop the recording.